Hi, this is Crestway Bricks, and one of the little projects that I'm going to be doing is transferring the Botanical Gardens set onto a MILS plate. So we've just literally finished doing the double base plate MILS plate for the transfer. Needed to wait, had to order quite a few green plates to make sure I could match up the sort of grass effect of the Botanical Gardens. The middle section, obviously where the building's going, I could use different coloured plate because that isn't going to show through. So we had to just make sure we calculated the space that we needed or could use for the building to sit on, and then the rest of it would need to be green. So we've sort of calculated that. Hopefully that's going to work. The next phase of the project will be transferring the set onto the base plate, onto the new MILS base plate. This is going to obviously require a slight bit of dismantling of the set. I'm going to try my best to get away with transferring as much as possible. Obviously there's going to be a lot of tiles that need to be picked off and then replaced along here, but we'll see how we go. I don't really want to have to dismantle the whole thing and rebuild it, but that may well be the answer to doing it properly, but we'll see if we can get away with doing as much as possible in terms of transferring bulky bits of the building without rebuilding. And then once we've got this onto the MILS plate, the idea of getting onto the MILS plate is so we can sort of MILS these garden sets that are coming out. So we've got the fountain garden here, which will sort of be MILSed and be roughly on the same height as this, so we can gradually build up a proper botanical garden sort of display, utilising the fountain gardens and the tranquil garden set, and any other sort of trees and additional bits of botanical sets that come out. I'm particularly interested in the new Japanese maple tree that's been reported coming out at the beginning of June, so quite looking forward to seeing that and getting a couple of copies of that one. And also want to try and integrate, I've got a couple of the botanical bonsai trees that I want to try and put in as well. So we'll go from there. So okay, that's all we've got for today, but just thought I'd show you where I'm at with this project. It's ongoing. It's going to take a little bit of time to sort of get it sorted, but once we've done that, we'll share in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.